All right, it's a Monday and pretty mild start to the work week weather-wise.
Oh, and a much different picture than what we experienced
a week ago. Yeah.
yeah, we may remember the smoky skies, but
Right.
really kind of reducing that late last week, and that carried us into a beautiful weekend where Silver Falls was one of the spots I spent my time outside, just soaking up the little bit of water falling from above. Unfortunately, it's just the waterfalls that are the only production of that active water falling, with no rain in sight over the next week. And you'll also notice as the month of August and September continue to take shape, some of the waterfalls, while they are still magnificent, slightly on the lesser side as opposed to, say, the middle of winter or the start of our rainy season, which is quickly returning to our area as October approaches. But for the month of August, no rain in sight thus far, giving us a rain deficit of just about 1/10 of an inch or above, as the month of August has brought some beneficially hot temperatures. Low 90s to mid 90s back on the 6th day, and we've already hit 80 degrees right here in the Rose City. But keep in mind, August typically one of our driest, but also our warmest month on average, as it's a cooling month for us, falling back to that average daytime high of about 83 by the end of August. We're talking about 80 degrees, that brand new average. So what we're experiencing right now, with the bright blue sunny skies found anywhere from the coastline to the high terrain of the Cascades, and you'll notice the dahlia flowers starting to bloom out towards the Swan Island area in Canby. What a sight to see for those late summer blooms, as temperatures are already getting back up into the low to mid 80s here for the valley, mid 60s enjoyed out along the coastlines. Our air quality has improved significantly as opposed to where we were about a week or so prior. 18 is our count right now. We'd like to stick it there for the next several days, and that's exactly what is in store for our forecast, carrying us all the way through the middle of the week. As this ridge of high pressure begins to build off to the west, it's going to help to keep that northwesterly flow kicking a lot of the wildfire smoke back out to our friends to the east, as this developing low to our north is actually going to increase our clouds and bring our temperatures down as we work our way towards Wednesday and Thursday. Now, the grasshopper fire unfortunately still scorching much of our landscape to the south and east of the Mount Hood areas. Those wind speeds tomorrow could gust close to 40 to maybe even 45 miles per hour across parts of the Columbia River Gorge, but relative humidity values still sticking into the double digits for us. But regardless, with those gusty winds, our fire weather danger dials, they are elevated as we hold on to the calm, quiet, and clear sunny skies as we work our way into Tuesday. It's Wednesday that marine layer starts to push its way further off to the east, increasing the cloud coverage and bringing our temperatures down. Unfortunately, no real rain is in sight, which is unfortunate when we have now grown to 19 days without any measurable rainfall, and that rain deficit quickly starting to grow. 58, that's where we fall to by about sunrise tomorrow. Back to the mid 80s we go for the afternoon hours on Tuesday, as we really break down that early morning cloud coverage and return the sunshine. But then more clouds in the mix on Wednesday will bring afternoon highs into the upper 70s. Fast forward to Saturday, that's where it's sunny here in the valley, but an isolated thunderstorm or two is possible up over the Cascades, which of course brings the concern of wildfire starts back into the mix.
Yeah, all right. But overall, pretty mild week.
Very mild week indeed.
All right, thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
Still to come, new recommendation.